Hey Pectus Warriors, what's going on? It's Byrne from fixpectus.com, and in today's video I wanted to show you an exercise I don't think I've ever shared on this channel, but it's amazing for pectus. You really feel the burn in your inner and lower chest, and it's something I've been programming for my clients, and yeah, it's a really awesome exercise, so I wanted to share it with you guys so you can implement it into your training. What it is, it's the ring dip. So you got to get a pair of rings, okay, like this. Okay, most gyms probably have like a ring setup. So yeah, you're probably good to go. You've probably never used them before though. And it's just like a normal dip, but in the rings. So you grab the rings, okay, and then come up, press up so your arms are straight. You're gonna be a little shaky at first, then come down so your chest hits the ring and back up. Just like that. That seriously like pumped up my chest so much, and you really feel it in your inner and lower pec. So I just wanted to make a video just talking about that, guys. Such a great exercise for pectus, and especially if you're more advanced, really start using things like this, like the rings. Okay, that added stabilization factor is just going to engage your muscles more and your core more too. So it's a really good movement. Like, I don't know how well you can see, but just from that one set just then, I've got a really crazy pump around my pectus. So it's an amazing movement, guys. Get into the ring dips. I'll see if I can film it and show you guys like the activation of my pecs as I do the movement, but it's brutal. Okay, pressing up, look at the pecs already engaging just to stabilize yourself. Okay, and then as you come down, you should see those muscles engaging like hell around your pectus. That is the ring dip, guys. Awesome movement. Get after it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in coaching, you want to fix your pectus, transform your body, develop a lean muscular physique, link is in the description. I'm taking on a few more client spots, so there are some spots available, and I'll be coaching, programming for you personally, looking at all your workouts, making sure you're doing everything right so you can get jacked and overcome your pectus. See you in the next video, guys.